Hey, what's up, healthy people? It's Ange with Less Health with Ange. I got another recipe for you, and that recipe is spicy nacho cheese, raw style. Okay, so for ingredients, we have red pepper, onion, vegetable broth, mustard, black pepper, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, nutritional yeast, and the star of the show, soaked cashews. Alright, so what I do is once I get the veggies and the cashews all nice and blended up, what I'll go ahead and do from there is I will decide how thick I want it to be by using the nutritional yeast. Alright, so that's a little trick.